Today I'm gonna make my friends enjoy and realize how good Mother Nature is. Yo, my grandma said when I go to the gym, you guys gotta come out too. So you trying to go for like 10, 15 minutes? Real quick, 10, 15 minutes? Bar flex. Just come to the, just come out there, bro.
I'll go with you, bro. We'll go there. And now it's balled up.
Now, baby.
He can have one. I have one.
Facts. You just work out here. With the gang, guys, with the gang. Yo, gang, say what's good. Say what's good. Yo, look how fucking, yo, look at the sun right now. See how it's lighting up the grass right there?
Why was I dead ass gonna look at the fucking sun?
You sure we gonna be able to get in, bro?
Hell yeah, I got a key.
People not gonna say nothing.
Nah. Yo, look at the fucking reflection. Look at the reflection off the sun hitting the trees. You guys seeing this? Yeah. Wow. Yo, whoa. Still with the squad, guys, you feel me? Next YouTube video and shit. Yo. Look how blue the sky is. Yo, listen, yo, come here. Guys, everybody look at the sky and give the camera your reaction. Look how blue it is. Look how blue it
We're
is.
not doing that shit.
Wow. This grass is pretty green today. Sky's looking healthy. Not too many clouds. Oh, look at the flowers over there. You guys want to smell the flowers? You guys want to smell the flowers over there? Look, this is my team. I'm still recording. We're probably gonna smell the flowers over here. Look. Check it out.
How do you know?
Who wanna smell the flower? Who's smelling the flower on the camera? Smell good. Smell good. All right. We're at the gym. Let's go back home now. My grandmas didn't even care if you guys left or stayed.
I knew he was lying.
This video is just Kyle, come here. I'll tell you what the video was for. The purpose.
Bro, can we go in here?
The real purpose, guys, was to let you guys enjoy Mother Nature. Look at these flowers behind me.
It looks like cool though.
Somebody died, bro.
Come on, bro. All right, we're out, guys.
For real?
Yeah,
Nah, you fucking lying. Where the keys at?
got them in my pocket.
What are we doing?
That's a nice Mother Nature walk. Feels good.
Guys, check the trees out over there. Wow. Who made those? God. He did. Guess what else he made? And God made you. Thanks for watching.